In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an Instagram logo using Canva. Canva is an incredibly easy to use design platform that's perfect for crafting everything from logos to social media posts. And today we'll focus on a simple yet impactful task, creating your very own Instagram logo. To get started, head over to Canva's website. Once you're on the homepage, you'll want to search for logo in the search bar. This will bring up a plethora of templates that you can use as a starting point. These templates are ready-made designs created by professional designers, but they are fully customizable, allowing you to tailor them to fit your own personal style or brand. After you've typed in logo, you'll be presented with various templates. Take your time to browse through the options and select one that resonates with you or fits the aesthetic you have in mind for your Instagram presence. Remember, the logo should reflect your brand's identity, so choose a style and color scheme that communicates who you are or what your project is all about. Once you've found a template you like, click on it to see more details. You'll have the option to customize this template, so go ahead and click on Customize this template. This action will take you to the Canva editor, where you can let your creativity shine. Within the editor, you will see different elements that you can modify, starting with the text. Highlight the existing text in the template and replace it with your desired text. This could be your Instagram handle, your full name, or anything else that you want to feature prominently in your logo. Canva makes it simple to change the font style, size, and color, so make sure these elements align with your overall branding or personal taste. Experiment with these features until you're satisfied with how it looks. Besides the text, you can also tweak the colors and images. If the template you chose includes an image or logo that doesn't quite fit, feel free to remove it or replace it with your own graphic elements. Canva offers a vast library of free images and icons that you can use, or you can upload your own files. This customization ensures that your final design is unique to you. Lastly, review your design to make sure everything is aligned and looks visually appealing. When you're happy with your logo, simply click the download button at the top right corner of the screen. You can choose the file format you'd like to download your logo in, whether it be PNG, JPG, or PDF depending on your needs. Now you have your very own Instagram logo made right in Canva. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you feel empowered to create a logo that truly represents you. Feel free to explore more of Canva's features to create other amazing designs. Thanks for watching and happy designing.